Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the strategy tester on MetaTrader 5. If you want to test an automated trading strategy, or simply explore how the strategy tester works inside MetaTrader 5, this quick walkthrough will help you get to the right place without any confusion. The strategy tester is one of the most useful tools in MetaTrader 5 because it allows you to check how a trading strategy could have performed before using it in a live market. We're going to keep it simple and focus on opening the tool correctly so you can start working with it. To begin, look at the top area of the MetaTrader 5 platform where the main menu is located. This is the menu bar that contains different sections for navigating the platform and accessing its built-in tools. You can think of this menu bar as the main control area of the platform because many of the most important windows and features can be accessed from here. From there, click on View. This menu is where MetaTrader groups several useful panels and windows that you may need while analyzing charts, monitoring trades, or working with testing features. For example, this is where you can access different platform panels without needing to search around the entire workspace. After you click on View, a drop-down menu will appear. Take a moment to look through the list, because this is where many important platform windows can be opened or hidden, depending on what you need. This is especially helpful if you are new to MetaTrader 5, because some tools may already be available in the platform, but hidden from your current layout. In that list, find Strategy Tester and click on it. As soon as you do that, the Strategy Tester window will open, usually in the lower section of the MetaTrader 5 interface. This is the main area where you will later be able to choose your expert advisor, select the trading symbol, adjust the time period, and prepare your test settings. If your workspace already has several panels open, it may appear docked at the bottom among other tabs, so it's a good idea to check there if you don't immediately notice it. Sometimes the panel can blend in with other tabs, especially if you already have windows like Toolbox, Market Watch, or Navigator open. So just look carefully along the bottom section of the platform. This tool is specifically designed to help you test trading robots, evaluate performance, and review how a strategy may have behaved using historical market data. In simple terms, it helps you study a strategy before risking real money, which can be very useful when you are trying to understand whether an automated system is consistent, risky, or worth improving. Opening the strategy tester from the View menu is the first essential step, because it gives you access to the area where all testing activity happens. If you plan to use expert advisors, compare results, or run backtests later on, this is the panel you'll return to regularly. Once you become familiar with it, you can use it to test different symbols, timeframes, settings, and strategy ideas. A helpful tip is to make sure your MetaTrader 5 window is fully visible and not too compressed, since smaller layouts can make docked panels easier to miss. If the tester opens and you don't see much right away, look toward the bottom of the platform and check for the tab labeled Strategy Tester. You can also resize the panel once it appears, so you have more space to view the settings, results, and other testing details. And that's it. To access the Strategy Tester in MetaTrader 5, click View, then click Strategy Tester. Once it's open, you're ready to move on to the testing setup and begin working with your trading strategy. From here, the next step would be choosing what you want to test and setting up the basic options for your backtest.